English for Beginners. Nationalities. Be verb. I am Korean. You are American. He is Scottish. We are Australian. You are Canadian. They are French. Contractions. I am Korean. I'm Korean. You are American. You're American. He is Scottish. He's Scottish. We are Australian. We're Australian. You are Canadian. You're Canadian. They are French. They're French. Questions and answers. What's your nationality? I'm Welsh. What's her nationality? She's Taiwanese. What's their nationality? They're Australian. Practice. What's Richard's nationality?
He's a New Zealander.
What's Jisoo's nationality?
She's Korean.
What's Brian's nationality?
He's South African.
What's Claire's nationality?
She's American.
What's Maria and Jose's nationality?
They're Mexican.
What's Wayne and Emma's nationality?
They're Australian.
Yes/no questions. Are you Italian? Yes, I am. Are you Spanish? No, I'm not. I'm German. Practice. Are you Russian?
Yes, I am.
Are you Scottish?
No, I'm not. I'm Irish.
Is Janet British?
Yes, she is.
Is Mark American?
No, he isn't. He's Canadian.
Are Hugo and Chloe French?
Yes, they are.
Are Jose and Maria Spanish?
No, they aren't. They're Mexican.
Homework. Answer this question in the comments section. What's your nationality? Thanks for watching. Click here to subscribe or check out my other videos.